What's going on, guys? Out here on my little stretch of river, I got a special guest for you guys. Old Chris Parrish. If you guys don't know Chris, tell them about yourself.
We met 3 years ago, and we came up with the Muddy River catfish bobber, and we've been catching fish ever since, and it's been good.
That's right. He's the originator of the Muddy River catfishing bobber. I met him down in Wichita when I went to go fish with Isaac, and we hit it off pretty well. Came out. This guy mass produces those bobbers by himself, man. So if you own a bobber, this guy, his hands have touched it, put it together just for you guys to catch fish with. So
it's an awesome product, an awesome idea, and I was glad we could get together on it, and I hope everybody enjoys them, and I hope we can put some fish on the boat with them today.
Yes, sir. So that's exactly what we did. We brought him out here. He came to fish with me. We're going to put those bobbers to work, see if we get on a fish. We just got our lines casted out behind us, and we'll see what happens, man. What do you think?
Oh, we're going to give it a heck.
That's right. Let's see how it goes, guys.
Eat my Doritos.
Yeah, just had the bobber go down. Yes,
Bobber
sir.
down. Seems to be decent. All right, this is why you come out here. Get y'all some Muddy River cat bobbers and have a good time. Oh, smashed that bluegill. Not even a giant bluegill. Guys, I got pressure on this fish, and he's
cruising. Look at him. He ain't even come up yet.
Oh, I think he is. I can't get a read on him. I don't think he's... Uh-oh.
It's all right. He'll come around. He's a good size one.
I don't think he's a monster.
He's still fighting. What you think, Chris?
Oh, he's awesome, dude. This is what bobber fishing's about.
There we go.
I'm so glad to be here. Woo, what a fish. Let's get him though.
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
Yeah. He's hooked good. Bring him right over here to the landing pad. How's that blue cat rod feel, man?
Oh, awesome.
Oh, there you go. Look at that, guys. Oh.
That's a 30.
Got him, brother?
I hope so.
All right, that's all you.
Jesus.
Look at that.
Are you serious?
Smokes, man.
Are
Nice
you
one.
serious? I feel better.
Yeah.
We had to suffer for this fish. Wouldn't believe the amount of work we went through for this one. I need some pliers, brother.
Look at that guy. Holy smokes. Look at that, man. Gee Louise, that is a fish and a half, man.
Muddy River catfish and Muddy River cat bobbers equals big flatheads.
There's your fish, brother.
40-pounder on the cat bobber. Just a beautiful fish.
Look at this fish, guys. Holy smokes.
Alright. Since we're not the stars of the show and he is, we're going to go ahead and put him back here.
Whoa. Just like that.
Just like that.
All right, man.
I think I'm gonna throw another bobber at that tree.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, back at you.
Get some bait on and we're back at it. So while we're out here waiting for a bite, one of the questions I get all the time, Chris, is how I rig the bobbers up, and I figure you're the man to demonstrate that. What do you say?
All right, lots of questions about rigging the bobbers, and it's a lot simpler than people make it. Obviously, you have your regular swivel to your leader, right? It's everything on top of that. So, the first thing we've got is a bobber stop, and we're fishing, what, 5 foot of water? So I've got my bobber stop set about 2 feet up. It's really important to make sure it doesn't slide up and down. Bead catches, then your sinker slide. This is the big benefit in this system. That one's on the bottom because we unclipped the bobber. This one's bobber fishing because we've got it on. Run another bead and then 3 ounces of weight. Let me tell you, most people's mistake is they're running 1 ounce of weight, maybe 2. I'll run 4 or 5 ounces of weight, even on the skinnies, even in current. Get you some weight so you can keep that bait in the strike zone. But essentially that's it. You need a bobber stop, a bead, and a sinker slide. But then make sure you get a decent weight to keep that bait down, especially if you're fishing in current. Leader, foot, 2 foot, depending on what you're fishing. And good old Team Catfish circle hook never hurt anybody's feelings.
Just have the rod go down, flathead rod. Piece of cut bait.
With the backwards reel.
With the backward reel, yeah. Dang lefties over here,
Mr.
huh?
Lefty over here.
Boom, he's cutting that water. Get a blue or what?
Yeah, it's got to be a blue. It's acting different.
A little flathead.
Little flathead.
Look at him. Yeah, little feisty kitty one. There you go.
Flathead on the flathead rod. Doesn't get much better than that. Well, unless they're like the last one.
Nice.
I'm gonna bait him up and get it out there again.
Yes, sir.
Circle hook right in the corner of the mouth.
He just wanted to say hi.
Comes out just like that. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and release this fish. He's super lively. I'm gonna give a little demonstration on how to release fish properly real quick. He's gonna want to go. When you have a tired fish, you don't need to put him back forward and backwards and pull him through the water. Just hold him in the water and he's ready to go. He'll go.
Good deal, man.
CPR at its finest.
Just turn the camera off, man.
Just turn the camera off. Another 20 on or so.
Bobber just went down, man. He slammed it. We're right about to bait up again. Look at that guy. Another good little one. Look at him. Feisty. Get over here. Come on.
Hold on, guys. Let me show you.
He's still got fight in him.
Let me give him to you. Let me give him to you.
There he is. Come here. There we go.
Hello,
Mr. Flathead.
your old friend.
My friends. I came to visit my friends.
Another pretty little fish. He got wrapped up there a little bit. It's amazing how clean these fish are, living in all these snags, and for the most part I set my line wrap and just not a scratch on them. Beautiful fish, man. Most awesome fish on the planet.
My favorite.
We do so much work to catch them, so much money, just to do this.
Gone.